Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're in the right place. Start by opening Gmail in the browser or app where you're currently signed in. Once the inbox loads, make sure you can access the account avatar in the top right corner. This is how you reach session controls. If you plan to log out remotely, pause and check that you know the device you want to disconnect. Now tap the avatar to reveal the account menu and prepare to move to the sign out controls. Don't skip this step. Once the menu is visible, choose Sign Out or Manage Accounts on this device to remove the session locally. This ends active authentication on that device. On desktop, you sign out of all accounts to ensure multiple Google sessions close simultaneously. For mobile apps, go to Settings Accounts Google Remove Account to clear saved credentials. This is stronger than a simple sign out because it removes tokens. Make sure to confirm any prompts. If you use two-step verification, you'll need credentials to sign back in later. To log out remotely, open your Google account settings, go to Security, then your Devices, select the device and choose Sign Out to end that session. If sessions persist, revoke access for specific apps or devices in the third-party apps section. This severs tokens immediately. If problems continue, clear browser cookies and cache, or change your password to force all sessions to re-authenticate. This is a reliable fallback. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.